Welcome back to my channel. I am so late at uploading this video, but I wanted to show you all how I did my makeup for my birthday dinner. My birthday was on September 20th, so that should tell you right there how late we are. But anyways, let's get into it because it was a very simple makeup look. So right now I am setting my eyes with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Original. I set my brows off camera using my Dipbrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And now for my eyeshadow, this is the 35G Bronze Goals palette from Morphe, and I just grabbed that deep reddish brown. It's kind of like a brick shade, and I'm putting that in my crease using my Morphe M441 brush. I only used one eyeshadow for this look, and I really liked how it came out. It was just so clean and matte. I loved it. So once I was happy with how my crease looked, I grabbed the same shade from that palette, only this time I picked up a Morphe M167 brush, and I just patted that all over both lids to make it as deep as possible. So I did the rest of my eyes off camera, but to line them, this is how I aim when I'm placing my fake lashes on. So I use my NYX liquid liner and I line the top of my eyelids. And then I'll grab my mascara. I used my Fenty Beauty Hella Thick mascara in the shade Cause I'm Black. And then I'll just stick my lashes right over top so I know where I'm placing them. So the lashes you see me wearing there are my Lilly lashes in the style Miami Flare. And now I'm just priming my skin using my e.l.f. primer. And then I'm going to go in with my Mercier powder and put that all over the places that I don't want to become shiny and oily because I do have combination skin. And so for my foundation, this is the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade, I can hardly read, 10. Shade 10 is what I'm wearing. So I'm going to put that all over my skin using my Morphe R6 brush. Look at that coverage, that is so good. I remember when I first tried to order this on Sephora.com, they were like, we don't have a shade for you. That's a lie. Look at how good that looks. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm going in with the same brand Armani concealer. I'm going to put the shade down below because I do not know what shade that is off the top of my head, but it's definitely one to highlight. And then I'm going in with the same brush that I used to apply my foundation, the Morphe R6 brush. And I'm just putting that all over the areas that I'm trying to highlight. Now I'm picking up my Charlotte Tilbury setting powder in the shade medium, and I'm grabbing a Morphe E3 brush and placing that over top the places that I put my concealer. I didn't show it on camera, but after that I went in with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Hazelnut, and then I took a Vanity Planet brush and went over the rest of my face that I did not hit with the concealer or the powder, just to kind of even things out a bit. After that, I decided to use my Makeup by Mario, what is this? The Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick in the shade Dark Deep. This was not my favorite bronzing formula to use. I've used ones that were a little easier to apply. Maybe I just need to get the hang of it, but this was definitely hard to blend in onto my skin. I was using my Anastasia bronzing brush, and yeah, not so easy, so I'm on the fence right now about this. Moving on to my blush, I used my Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Rouge Romance blush in the shade Living Lavish. I put that all over my cheeks. This is my go-to blush. Her blushes last all day. I cannot say that enough. I love them so much. And then for my highlight, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics Loose Highlight. This is in the shade Megawatt. This is a really great highlighter. A little goes a long way. And I'm grabbing that with my Morphe M510 brush. I only use like the tiniest amount because this will literally blind you. It's so bright. To finish up my eyes, I'm using the same shade from the Morphe palette that I used on my lids on a tiny blending brush, and I'm just smudging that all on the lower lash line. And then to keep things matte for my entire eye look, I grabbed that light brown beige shade and I just put that in my inner corner. So I did my mascara off camera, but for my liner, this is the gel liner from Melt Cosmetics in the shade Onyx. And lately I've been really enjoying just taking the liner halfway instead of from one part of my lower lash line all the way to the other, from the outer to the inner corner. I just go from the outer corner right to the middle. I don't even take it all the way in. And then for my lips, I decided to line my lips using my Rare Beauty Kind Words matte lip liner in Bold. Then for my lipstick, I decided to use this lipstick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Grill Master, and you will see at a certain point that I did not like how this color was looking on me. I thought it was a bit too loud. See right there. So then I took my Jaclyn Cosmetics liquid lipstick and I just put that right in the middle of my lips to kind of create an ombre effect, so that it would go from like this light to dark, and that is what really made the lipstick just come together the way that I wanted it to. And then to finish it off, I used my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray to set my face, and that is it for the makeup tutorial. That is how I looked on my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!